Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam error that says, "Sorry, something went wrong," and asks you to visit a link for solutions. This problem can appear when launching certain Steam games. First, it is important to understand what is really causing this problem. Many guides online suggest things like verifying game files, reinstalling the game, or changing Steam settings. In most cases, none of those steps solves this specific error. That is because this is not a normal Steam bug or a corrupted file issue. This error is related to DRM protection used by some games. These games require online activation to run. Each time you launch the game on a system, an activation token is generated. There is a limit on how many times the game can be activated on different devices or system changes within 24 hours. If you reach that limit, the game will block access and show this error message. When this happens, there is no instant fix. The activation limit is temporary. The best and safest solution is to wait. After 24 hours, the activation counter resets automatically. Once that time has passed, open Steam again and launch the game normally. In most cases, the game will start without any issues. Thanks for watching.